Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VVPR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price movement broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. The first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can hold up here above $3.50. Several times today, the bears did try to press down through there, but each and every time the bulls did do a good job. So as it stands right now, there are clearly buyers hanging around $3.50. Now, does that guarantee that those buyers are going to stay there? There's no such thing as a guarantee. But as far as what the data is telling us, and as the price has acted, there is buyers currently down there that have helped quote unquote support the price every single time that it's gone down around that area. So 350, that ideal level. And don't get me wrong, if the price falls below there, am I saying the entire chart's ruined? I'm not saying that, because from the big picture point of view, now this definitely assumes that you care more so about a broader time horizon, but that's where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to gauge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As that line itself moves higher and higher, as long as the price stays above it, the bulls are in full health, the price action's in full control. How are you going to best visualize that? No questions asked. Again, yeah, preferably speaking, stay up above 350, but from the grand scope of it all, as long as the price stays above that purple line, then the bulls 100% are in control of the chart. Now, what about levels of resistance? Initial area of resistance, if this late day bounce continues, right up here at the $5 mark. After $5, next key level of resistance up there at about $5.50. So $5, $5.50, two of the next near-term levels of resistance. But crazy move today. We'll see what happens with it tomorrow. I know I'll be keeping an eye on it. So let's see how this one closes out the week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.